Jamaica land we love. Lord, what the way they put me up in front of the light. Check out that. Oh, good night, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters. I think I'm supposed to sit right here. I see my sister Stephanie. Thank you for being here. Make me feel like I'm looking on my mama. Yeah. Listen. Our song. Pop. Bubby. Pop. Bubby. So, this new album is called Firebird. Firebird. What does that mean? Pop. Pop. Firebird. She's free. Do it. She's full of vibes. She probably need to sit down and rest a while. Wait, not yet, Pop. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you a little story. Pop, baby. I don't want to get in the spirit, you know, but you just see me do. Just know it's because of you. You, and you. Pop. Yeah. I was born in the dragon year. So she still exists. Wow. She's a firebird. A firebird sings a song like you never heard. Yeah. Like a phoenix, she rises from the dust. Listen to her heart, and just she tries. I woke up today, straight out of the miry clay. Really didn't have to, but you did. Thank you. Ooh, I'm a firebird. Pop. Baby, baby, baby. Ooh, yeah. Coming from a long, long way. Yeah. The way the world is today, it rests heavily on my head. Wow. Even though it's not mine to bear, I'll always be there to give love, love and care. 'Cause I will not stay in fear, but rise in my greatness. I'm a firebird. Yeah. Different deal. Yeah. This is me. This is me. This is me. Fire. Yes, I suppose me drop yes you know. Ooh, I got lift me up. So make me just go and stand up here. My leg them cannot set back. Alright? I'm good, thank you very much. So, my little girl from Trenchtown, see? 13A Greenwich Park Road, so proud of it, you know? This is where it all began for a lot of us here who come from Trenchtown, right, so. Uncle me? Blessed, blessed. Yes, Kingston 12 in the hazel. Yeah. I grew up on the roads of Greenwich Park Road, barefoot. Calvary Cemetery right across the street. That come in like a playground for us. And then we went on tour. What, 30, 40 years probably on the road. And then I took a step back and chilled for a while. And then I realized, this is my style. Run it. How I love this place. Just smoking, Bridget.
Oh, G.
What? Is that your favorite?
Sorry.
Oh, stool. Rizla.
Lighter.
Fire, fire, a fire, 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 fire. I love chilling on the island, roots wine sipping on the island. Only you there with me on the island. Oh, my meditation. I love chilling on the island, roots wine sipping on the island. Only you there with me on the island. Only you. Right move, right groove, all smooth. Love you since high school.
Just look at us.
Pepper like food, like me, like you. Rockin' to the groove. Topic of the day, how much I love you, babe. Words try to betray, action set it straight. Love is not a game, games I do not play. Love is here to stay. I love chilling on the island.
We like swimming on the island.
Only
you, baby, up on the island.
for my meditation. I love chilling on the island, roots wine sipping on the island. Only you do it with me on the island. So what? No Chick-fil-A, some stush in the bush. My skin is glistening, and we steady rocking. I love chillin', we love swimming. Only you there with me, only you, only you. I love chillin' on the island, roots wine sipping on the island. Only you there with me on the island. Paula, I love swimming.
Only you, baby, on the island.
Only you, only you. Come spend some time. Let's meditate. Let's send that positive vibe and prolong. I love swimming on the island. Roots wine. Somebody bring me a glass of roots wine up, please. I'm feeling chilly. Somebody bring me a glass of roots wine. Roll me a nigger spliff. Let's meditate. Positive vibration. I love chilling. Swimming. Come spend some time and hold on. Yes, we could sit down and come and tell. Thank you for this nice little stool right here, so. Yes, so good and pleasant for us to dwell together in unity. So good and pleasant. We want more of that. More unity, more love, more peace. All along have we calling. We've been calling for peace. So guess what I decide? I am going to put my music to the 432 hertz low frequency. So when you listen to Firebird, you're supposed to feel something. You're supposed to feel love energy lifting you. It's not just about dancing. It's supposed to be feeling and moving your whole body, your mind. Spread peace in your thoughts. Can't be everywhere, you know, but the music can be. So let's spread love through music. To my brothers and my sisters in the music business, be conscious about the music you sing, about the words you sing, the music you promote, because the energy speaks for itself. Let's do it.
Well, if love was an arrow and I was the bow.
Hey, baby.
Sister.
Do you remember when I told you I'm the fire to your flame?
I would slip it in your heart and tune.
Oh, yeah. Big youth, I hope you in the house. Oh, yeah. Just like old times.
Just like you said, baby.
We can still be friends.
I'm stepping with you.
So many times I leave from the spotlight to get your love back. What was this love like? Oh, I need my stepper right now. And when you hold tight, I love you all night under the moonlight. What was this love like? Oh, I need my stepper right now.
Stepper right now.
Tell me what you saw, babe, when you looked into my eyes. Tell me if you saw that it was paradise twice. Love the way you love me, love to rubber dub you. Let me hit you up, babe, every day and every night. Love is alright. Love was always kosher, sipping while we pour up. I know I adore ya. You're the one that chose me, babe, I'm happy in your life. Baby, you don't even have to ask me once or twice. Love is alright. So many times I leave from the spotlight to get your love back. What was this love like? Now call the name and all. And when you hold tight, what do you all night under the moon? What was this love like? Oh, I need my stepper. Steppah, yeah.
That's why I'm stepping with you.
I remember when you told me I'm the fire to your flame. I didn't need to hesitate. Need to know that your love is forever maintained. if our butts, babe, we're in the same lane. Love shall remain. Play the lights out, turn the lights out. I'll hit you with the nightgown. Oh, I need my love back. I need my love back. I need my love back, babe. Gotta have your love back. Come back home. Gotta have your love back, love back. Come back home. Gotta have your love back, Steppah. Gotta have your love back, love back. Come back home. Gotta have your love back, love back. Love is good. Love is good. Love back. Love is good. Love is good. Love back. Come back home. Gotta have your love back, love back. Where is he? Where's my Steppah? Steppah here? Is Steppah? Oh, Steppah daughter there. Next track. Where is the Steppah? Huh? What them say? What them say? What them say? Hold it. Me say. Me nearly going at it. What's happening, man? Free up the mic. Look, anybody want to come do it with me now? Feature? Long time where I did this, you know, just come, Denisha, you do the best. Hey, hey, come on, make we dance, make we dance. I wanna get high, so high. Come on, I wanna get high, so high. I wanna get high, so high. I wanna get high, so high. One draw, one draw, one draw, one draw. Hey, Rastaman, hear what you say. Give your sister some sexy. Hey, on your mind, hear what you say. Give your sister some sexy. So long, I've been searching down. Something on my mind. A sense of feeling. I find a sense of feeling. Found my mind. A sense of feeling. Searching. Sense of feeling. Just like I said, you send it straight to my head. Mama, I'm feeling high. So high. I'm feeling high. Oh, I'm feeling high. So high. So high. I want draw. Light up the split. One draw. I want a little whiff now. One draw. Light up the split. One draw. I want a little whiff now. Hear us, come on. Hear what you say. Give me
Give me little sense.
Okay, take it down. I would like, hey, anybody know the 12-inch version? Who knows? Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher. Morning, teacher.
Morning. I would like to have roll call,
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Smokey?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Herbie?
Yes, teacher.
Cool. So everybody's in class, yes? Now let's talk about what you did over the holidays. Big up Sister Eleanor, Dr. Wint. Big up. Rita Marley. Okay. Stop behaving yourself. Now tell me what you did over the holidays. Herbie?
Yes, teacher.
What did you do over the holidays?
Well, my uncle and my grandfather, they carry me up way up in the hills, and I see them planting a thing they call Sensimilia.
What?
Sensimilia.
Oh.
Sensimilia.
Oh, Sensimilia. This boy's out of order. Smokey?
Yes,
What did
teacher.
you do over the holidays?
Well, teacher, I know this so good last term, teacher.
Oh, dear me.
So when I was an holidays teacher, I have to
Get
study
the fun over here.
because I want up my marks, them good teacher. But before I walk my book as a teacher, I get a original paper as
Oh,
a
dear.
teacher, and then a bill wants people take away. A roll of liquor, people take away. A roll of liquor, people take away. I take a whiff of the same million. A whiff of the same million. I really bow. I really bow.
Yes, I. Just like I said, singing straight to my head. And now I'm high. Good night, everybody.
Sensimilia. 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 Sensimilia.
On the clapper! Sharon Marley! The one and only. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh dear. They said that they want more. Miss Marley. The people are calling for more. We want more. We want more.
Listen.